Hello my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So today in this video we're going to see vacancies from Emcure. So this company is conducting walk-in interviews from 24th to 26th July from 10 a.m. onwards to 2 p.m. The venue is Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited, plot number SM 141516/1 GADC Sanand, Ahmedabad. So coming to the details, they are hiring for injectables manufacturing site at Sanand for production and quality control departments. So for production, they are looking for operator or officer. Experience is 3 to 6 years. And for quality control, 3 to 6 years. So qualification is M.Sc, B.Sc, M.Pharm, B.Pharm candidates and ITI and Diploma. So here you can see areas of expertise required is vial washing, filling, autoclaving, batch manufacturing, live packing, HPLC or GC, RM or PM, AMV, and instrument handling, etc. So you need to send your CV to the following if you are unable to attend. So opportunity to learn and earn. So they provide transportation, canteen facility, medical claim benefits along with learnings. Thank you for watching. Please utilize the opportunity. Share it with your friends.